What's up guys, Tasche here, and tomorrow I'll be doing a review of the latest version of the powerful SEnuke software, SEnuke TNG Pro. Now SEnuke has been the top SEO and internet marketing software for the past 10 years, and this latest version comes packed with a whole ton of additional features that's going to help you take your business to a whole new level. Now I'll be sending out my full review tomorrow via email, so keep an eye on your inbox. However, if you're not on my email list and you happen to find this video on YouTube, just click the link below in the description, and that's going to take you to a page where you can access the full review when it's ready. Now, since SEnuke's focus is helping you generate traffic and higher search rankings for your money sites, I decided to add a bonus in that's going to allow you to get better conversions on your money sites. And I'm going to reveal that actual bonus tomorrow in my review. So again, be sure to watch your email for my full review. And if you're not on my email list, just click the link below, and that link will take you to my full review when it's ready. Okay. With that, guys, thanks very much for watching. Look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.